Ever pondered what lies beneath the ocean waves? A world full of color, life, and mystery? Today we're diving deep to explore the underwater cities of the sea, the coral reefs. In the grand scheme of the ocean, coral reefs cover less than 1% of the ocean floor, but they're home to an estimated 25% of all marine species. From the tiniest plankton to the largest shark, coral reefs are bustling with life. They're one of the most diverse ecosystems on our planet. A veritable underwater metropolis teeming with an array of vibrant, exotic marine life. Why are coral reefs so crucial, you might ask? These complex structures play an essential role in the ecosystem. They provide shelter and food for a multitude of marine creatures, help in carbon and nitrogen fixing, and even contribute to the formation of new landmass. Moreover, they act as a natural barrier, protecting our coastlines from the damaging effects of wave action and tropical storms. However, these vital ecosystems are under severe threat. Climate change, pollution, overfishing, and destructive fishing practices are causing unprecedented damage to these underwater cities. Bleaching events, where corals expel the algae that give them their vibrant colors, are becoming increasingly common, leading to a loss of biodiversity. But all hope is not lost. Conservation efforts are underway to protect and restore these fragile ecosystems. Marine protected areas have been established, fishing regulations enforced, and cleanup drives organized. Additionally, scientists are breeding heat-resistant corals, hopeful that these hardier species can withstand the rising sea temperatures. Did you know that some coral reefs are actually visible from space? Yes, the Great Barrier Reef, stretching over 2,000 kilometers, is the largest living structure on Earth. Now that's a fascinating fact. Restoration projects are also in full swing. Coral farming, where young corals are grown in nurseries and then transplanted onto degraded reefs, is showing promising results. Innovative technologies like 3D printed reefs are also being explored. Thanks to cool stuff like virtual reality, you can now go on an amazing adventure to underwater cities right from your cozy room. Imagine diving into the deep blue sea, swimming with bright, colorful corals, and meeting all sorts of fascinating sea creatures, just like a real-life mermaid or a shark. Remember, caring for our coral reefs is a big job, and it's something we all need to do. By doing simple things like using less plastic stuff, eating seafood that's good for the ocean, and even behaving nicely when we are on a holiday, we can all become super sea heroes and help to keep our underwater world safe and beautiful. Underwater photography is a fantastic way to capture the beauty of coral reefs. Remember, patience is key. Wait for the perfect light, focus on the subject, and don't forget to respect the marine life and their home. In the future, our coral reefs might face a tough battle, but with collective efforts, they can thrive. These underwater cities, with their vibrant residents and intricate structures, are a testament to the marvels of nature. They remind us of our responsibility to protect and conserve our natural world for generations to come.